Hi everyone, welcome to my video. If this is your first time, I am Robin Kay. I am a Chalk Couture independent designer. If you don't know what Chalk Couture is, it is a DIY home decor direct sales company. And welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. And today I'm going to be using this transfer. It is from the Unsinkable collection. It is a floral script pattern, and I'm going to be putting it on this found surface, and it's going to be on the back side of another one, and I'll show you how the fall one. So this is like the other half, and then I'm going to be putting this Eat, Drink, and Be Merry, and on this one I'm going to be using Shimmer Olive, Shimmer Shadow, Shimmer Harvest, and then I'm going to be using Citrus Splash, which was a color from the summer. It was an in vogue color, and unfortunately we can no longer get it. And I'm going to be using, it's called Purple Presto, and it is, designers get it when you go to convention, or like this year it was virtual, so it was a perk that got when I signed up. And I guess oh, let me let you know, this transfer here and the Shimmer Harvest is out of stock, and date to be determined of when it'll be back in. The Shimmer Shadow, Shimmer Olive, Shimmer Frost, and the Orange Peel should be all in next week between September 28th and October 2nd. And so let's get started. Okay, and this one's done, and I like how it turned out. Now I'm going to be doing the next board. And I'm going to do is take orange, oops, you guys can see that. I'm going to take orange peel and put some shimmer in it. And mix it up and paint it on the board. And so while I'm doing this, I'm going to explain to you, we were told that from our corporate that the jars of our paste, because due to COVID, that they come in 3-ounce jars. They're still going to be 3-ounce paste, but they're going to be putting them in 4-ounce jars for the time being. Not all of them, but some of them. So if you get a bigger jar, you'll know that it's still going to be 3 ounces. It's just going to be a bigger jar. It's also probably going to have a white lid on it. So that you'll know that due to COVID. If you want to know about any of the products or any information, my links are below. Leave me a comment, like it, share it, and all my links are down below. And this is, let me show you how it turned out here. It's the Halloween, that's the fall. I'm really liking when an idea comes together and it turns out the way I wanted it to. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.